Warning: the following video contains two fools as they try to demonstrate a simple task of changing a tire. While they do succeed, the following footage is anything but. Laughing at said fools is advised.
Hello, my name is Isaiah. I'm here to teach you about changing a flat tire. And then I can keep going.
Okay, that's fine.
Right? To go to the next section?
You can, that's fine.
Because we're not going to walk them over, right? Because I'm trying to think of an instructional video, and usually they'll be like, this is how much it happens. This is my name. I'm going to teach you how to do it.
Okay.
And then I wish I had a flat tire to show them.
Obviously, okay. This is also
Are you
one
going to
thing.
put in like a flat tire?
No. I was gonna say, unfortunately, you can just here.
Okay, so what are we doing? What am I explaining now?
Since it's working, hold on a minute. Oh shit.
The first one that you're going to want to do is, wait a minute, I didn't talk about location. It's just touching.
Okay. We're gonna want to redo this. I messed up.
Okay.
Sorry.
Good. At least I didn't get all the way up there.
Thank you to my good friend Isaiah. I am Blake, the new tire specialist. And you're gonna look at this right here. See, looks beautiful. So we're gonna toss the tire over here, and we have our lug nuts off, and everything looks good. Now if I can get a new tire over here. All right, no, re-roll it. Thank you guys very much. I don't really think, I think I'm just gonna scrap that at the end shot.
You can always cut it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut, yeah. Okay.
It's really the weight of this that fucks with the heat.
Yeah, I mean, you can take it off the dolly if you want.
I don't want to risk it. I'm a klutz.
Fair enough. Oh God, I literally just punctured myself with this. Okay. So as you guys can see, this tire is complete. All right. You're good. Restart it.
Alright guys, now that we've figured out how to change.
I have to walk on before you start talking. I have to cut it.
That's all, folks.